Hey everybody, Alex Bennett from Agri Drones. In this video, we are going to kind of walk through the Android system navigation and settings. All right, so get to our basic Android home screen. If this is our J100 app, I'm basically going to go to the bottom of the remote and we're going to swipe up. You're going to see these buttons here. So if you need to ever force close the app or anything like that, I'll show you how to do that right now. So we're basically going to swipe up. Click that square box, and then we're actually going to swipe up on that app. So that basically completely closed down the app. So I can go through and, I'm not going to close down that one. So I'm going to hit basically the circle button in the center. That takes us to our basic Android home screen. So from there, we have web browser, your web browser, images, stuff like that. If we go ahead and swipe up from there, all that stuff into there. If we go into settings, so this is where your network, Wi-Fi, hotspots, all that type of stuff. If you have SIM cards in, this is where you'll set up your mobile network and stuff like that. Your Bluetooth, your apps, batteries, storage. This is where you can change up your sound, your display, wallpapers, all that type of stuff, just like your phone. If I go ahead and get back out of that one, and I'll go back to the home screen. If we go to the top of the screen and pull down, again, just like your phone, this is where you can do your internet, your Bluetooth. If we pull it down even farther, this is where we have, so like right now I'm running screencast, screen record. So if you guys ever want to screen record, if you're doing any videos and you want to record everything you're doing on the screen, you can go from there. Your power buttons. You have your power buttons, then we have back into settings. This will take you back to your home settings where you can do your networks and all that type of stuff. Your display, so if you guys are worried about your brightness, so we can go to brightness level. Go ahead and pull up our brightness. Like again, if I want to go back, I can hit here. If I want to actually go completely to the home screen again, I can hit the center button. And if I want to close any apps, I can hit the square right here. Then I can swipe up, and that actually force closes the apps. So from there, I'll go back home, go back to our EAV J100 app. And there we go.
System ready.
It's as simple as that. Thanks.